You know those puzzles that look innocent and then eat half your afternoon? This is one of them. And the wild part is, you can crack it with just 2 equations and 1 subtraction. No guessing, no grid search, pure logic. Imagine a row of 3 rectangles. Left one, area 21. Middle one, mystery. Right one, area 43. Underneath the first 2, there's a 4th rectangle with area 29 and height 4. One more clue. The combined width of the middle and right rectangles is 10. The question? What is the area of that middle rectangle? Not its sides, the area. That's all we care about. Let's give the middle rectangle a width of x and a height of y. If we can find x times y, we're done. From the bottom rectangle, area is 29, height is 4. So its width is 29 divided by 4, which is 7.25. That bottom width stretches exactly under the left plus middle rectangles. So, left width is 7.25 minus x, middle width is x, right width is 10 minus x. And remember, all 3 top rectangles share the same height y. Now use area equals width times height on the rectangles we know. Left rectangle, 7.25 minus x times y equals 21. Right rectangle, 10 minus x times y equals 43. Now we have 2 equations. 1, 10y minus xy equals 43. 2, 7.25y minus xy equals 21. Here comes the slick move. Subtract the second from the first. 10y minus xy minus 7.25y minus xy equals 43 minus 21. The negative xy terms cancel out. That's the whole reason we set it up this way. We get 2.75y equals 22. So y equals 22 divided by 2.75, which is 8. Now go back to one of our equations, say 10y minus xy equals 43. Plug in y equals 8. 10 times 8 minus xy equals 43. 80 minus xy equals 43. Rearrange. xy equals 80 minus 43, which is 37. That's the punchline. The area of the middle rectangle is 37 square meters. If this kind of area maze meets algebra clicked for you, you're exactly who this channel is for. Subscribe to LogiQLab, and in the next video, you'll tackle an area puzzle where the answer looks completely wrong, until the last line of algebra says it's right.